Ah, just a little bit more.
Here, bro. You gotta do shit, bro. Okay, I'm done.
He quitting on me, bro. Yo, you can't quit, yo. Once you sign up, bro, it's a contract. You locked in. You can't quit. Slow, no. Go ahead, nigga. Bro, what is he?
You lied to me, that I can trust a hoe for shit, you stupid dirty bitch. And I've been going through some shit, I don't know what it is. Betrayal is a bitch and you done stabbed me in my back and you done threw away my trust and you can never get it back, yeah. I can't keep going back and
You gotta give it gas.
You going alright? He heavier than me though, so that motherfucker ain't gonna move from up under.
Yeah. You gotta give it gas.
Felt that
Put it
bitch.
back in neutral.
Oh, you probably don't not put it in neutral.
He seen it. He seen what was going on.
No, I don't. One click, right? But that shit not going up.
You gotta make it go up.
Oh.
No, too hard. Pause. Move it.
That was two?
Move it. Yeah, see? You did it too hard. Kick it down.
Right there.
Move it. All right, yeah. If you try moving it, don't move. It's in gear. So you gotta do that process.
So I gotta hold this shit too? When you
To
start?
kick it, yeah.
No,
Well, not all the time, but when it's not starting, yeah. But you should be good. Kick it.
Clutch.
Oh, no, it's already hot start. Oh, to clutch? No. It's a neutral. You only do that when it's in gear, but go ahead. You don't need to worry about that. How the fuck that shit start like that? Give them so. Oh, hot start. That hot start key, man. Yeah. Let it out more. Let the clutch out more, yeah. You want to try to do that?
I said I wasn't trying to do that shit.
Too hard on the gas.
I thought I was barely, you feel me?
Fuck no.
Know what I just said?
Ah,
Drying
shit.
up.
It'll drying up. He did say
Drying
that.
up.
Something burned me.
This is how I look up this shit.
Oh, let that bitch go.
That shit gonna start.
Bro, and try to stay on the bike. Yo, grab this, nigga.
I had it, great, bro.
Nah.
Oh, you talking about when you lift it up.
Like when you feel it doing that.
He ain't let the right side go. Yes, I did.
Here, what is he? Here, Warren, bro.
Yeah, big one.
Ain't good.
I'm a toddler,
They
but
say
you feel
walk
me?
you through every step.
I needed it, man.
I do too.
It's hot as shit out here. It feel good. God damn, man. Like,
Damn, I ain't even start mine.
What?
I ain't gonna embarrass myself before I get on the camera.
it feel good out here, man. I keep telling y'all, man, I'm gonna get the new camera. I am, man. I'm gonna get the G.
What phone you got?
I'm getting a I'm trying to get the G7X. So, but you can zoom in on that.
Camera is fucking amazing.
You can zoom in.
I sold my camera because I got this one.
Oh my God! Look at that joint.
And you can go widescreen. Look how far it is. Like
That
this, how I be
shit
making
lit.
my YouTube videos.
Hold on. Let them see the quality though. They can't see the quality. It's blur or something.
If you want to zoom,
That shit.
but I record my shit like this, you can see.
So when
the
you
whole-
record, you can still zoom in like that too.
Yeah. Look.
Oh, new phone, me. Oh yeah, I'm about to get a new jack.
I sold my camera.
I'm about to get a new jack. But nah, for real. Oh my gosh, bro, let the joint go.
I ain't got it, bro. He's strong as shit.
Bro, I'm barely touching
Don't
this
just, don't
motherfucker,
just.
bro. I'm giving it
Bro,
big
you
game.
is.
Bro, I'm barely touching that shit.
I can see it though. Look, let me show you, bro. Let me show you. Chopping, you holding it. Remember I told
I'm
you?
like this.
No. The people see it.
Big terrible, bro. Big terrible. I don't think about buying one. Dead.
You like it? Nah, you can learn, bro. You gonna learn, bro. It's like, come on, bro. It's
I
like
ain't
easy.
falling shit. That bitch can fall one. I'm sorry. I ain't going with it.
It would've been better content if I told bro, if I never gave bro permission to let you bite. How would I do that? How would I see?
Holding the shit out that drone. That's still too loud for him though.
What?
It's too much for him.
What? To give it what?
Yeah. You holding the shit
coming. I already knew it was coming. I felt that shit do that shit down there. I was like, oh shit, I'm pushing it too much. When I was trying to turn.
I like doing that shit though. He don't like doing it.
For me? Yeah. It's pointless.
That shit feels.
What am I doing it for? I get
like
a four-wheeler and do that.
Yeah.
It feel like, nah, I feel like I'm charged. When I do that, it feel like I'm charged.
He watched Charm City, now he doing that.
I do that, man. That shit feel lit.
So let him know how I did my first time on there.
He did better than this worm. Than that worm.
Bro just strong.
Bro just drawn. That's how football, man. He be lifting them weights and all that. I seen him in the gym.
Bullshit, bro.
No, it's you.
Feel me? You gotta treat that bitch like you gotta be gentle with it. I thought I heard an animal over there or something. Let the hot start go. Yeah, let that go every time. The silver thing, let it go. The throttle. Yo, that's it, I ain't gonna lie. That's what it is though. When you learn how to wheelie everything, bro, you gotta be gentle with the throttle. That's how it is on that car. On that 250. That's what I'm learning. Like you gotta get you have to have throttle control to learn how to ride. Pause. Little bit gas, a little bit. You gotta be on the gas just a little bit.
Bro,
like I'm gonna show you.
Bit,
Start it.
I was on the motherfucker.
No. Do it again. I'm gonna show you. Like I'm gonna help you. Yeah, bro. He's scared. He's scared. Alright, look, I'm gonna show you when you start it. Just a little bit, like gentle. Just be gentle with it. That's all you gotta do. Be gentle with her. Treat her with care. Treat her with care. Alright, look. Let that go. Alright, look. No, put your hand on. Hold on. Put your hand there. Like you about to do it. Yeah, like that. Like. But once you start going, you can do one of these. Look. Look, don't. That's what you're doing. You. Stop it. You gotta hold the clutch in when you do that. Yo, he's scared.
Bro, this ain't it.
Yo, who that? Who that?
Miguel.
Ain't on that. That's too lift, ain't it? See, 124. Why don't niggas like that 125? I can't wait till I get tough on my
That's the bike they got that they don't leave. That they never gonna sell us with. So it was their man's that died.
Oh, word?
Bro, that shit got rebuilt like 10 times. They be blowing that bitch up.
You good on that side, cousin?
Nigga, I'm trying to make sure that bitch is neutral, but it ain't.
He over there drunk. Oh, no, it didn't move. You gotta feel it. That's two. Alright, look, this will help. Look, hold the click. Alright, there you go. No, move it.
It's like you can hear it. It's like a loud click
And a small click, like a little tick.
These motherfuckers be listening to it every day.
Yeah, you feel it. You start to feel it.
I don't listen to it.
Yeah, you can feel it now. Like I can feel it. Like I can just get on there and just do it. Like Nike.
Not hard.
Look how hard he holding his motherfucking joint. Like, you know he being strong on the throttle. He holding that shit hard as shit. His whole, his veins popping out his arm and shit.
Yo, shut up, bro.
Yo. That's why that motherfucker started one kick for him. Oh, yeah, what we doing? I don't know how you're doing either.
Wait, what? What was
No, you're not doing nothing wrong. Light on the gas, bro. Look. You let it out. You let the clutch out, so it's starting to move it. You feel me?
No, I wanted it to move, but I wasn't grabbing.
Yeah.
This shit blowing me, bro.
Yo, this shit harder than it y'all think. It really hard. It really is harder than everybody think. And everybody think, like I said, the last vlog. Just because this shit small, pause. I gotta give y'all a second on that one. Just because it's small.
It is like
Just because the bike is little, let me say that's gay too though. But alright. Just because the bike is small don't mean that you can just get on it. Oh, I can ride that. Motherfuckers be like, yo, teach me on the other bike. I know I can ride that. No, it don't work like that. It's still a bike. You gotta put respect on that jump.
It's like a gap between where it starts. Like it's not doing enough. None of this is doing enough. But you'll feel the moves they think you're doing.
Okay, he learned already. Yeah, Brian. Yeah, Brian. Go sit down. Yeah, that's on that. Now, bro, it's that shit crazy how it works.
That's why the new bottle too. Like, it's gonna be like, oh, so you pull it back, but it's not massive.
Hold the clutch.
I forgot to do that shit. I'm like, why this shit not going nowhere?
See, it's a lot, bro. It's
This
just...
shit, bro, them new, that one I sent you.
Blowing me, bro. For real. Never.
I'm splitting these videos up.
Nah, don't put me on it.
Don't put me
That
on.
shit dead, bro.
We're getting better.
Like this much?
Huh? For me? Nah. No, seriously.
Say yes, bitch.
Nah, man. People do though. People do go through this though.
It's not, don't think like, it's just you. A lot of niggas do.
Everybody do this. Like, it's not just you, yeah. He just, you see him and he just, I don't know, he just, he not human. Pause. Yeah, like Rick don't be having this problem. Yo, Rick be having this problem, bro. He ride for like, not like this, not this bad, but he stall out and shit like that. You feel me? He been riding, and I told him I ride like what, 6, 8 months ago.
It's just you being nervous. That's all that is. I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah, bad first impression.
It's like, look. When you feel the bike lifting up, bro, let the throttle go. Like, you feel that, bro, like go slow enough to where you can start to feel this shit. Like, you can feel everything happening. Once you feel like, that's how you gonna get used to it. Like, you just letting the bike go. If you feel that motherfucker lifting up, bro, let that motherfucker go. Run with it. Like, hold the clutch in. Hold that in. Like, pull that in. And run with it so you can feel it. Like, you can start to feel it. When you feel it, you're gonna be like, oh, all right, now I see what I'm doing wrong. You're gonna feel it. You gotta like, your brain everything happens so fast on these motherfuckers. So you gotta let your brain process it. And it's new, everything new, so.
This shit bad, dude. If heaven was a mile away.
Damn,
God told me, get off.
yo, look how good this joint look, though, God. Like, damn, like, the sun hitting her, like, she just look good. Yeah, see, but you can hear that, like, you.
That's why you like, oh shit, something wrong.
Yeah, like, yeah. There you go. Yeah, a little bit more gas. You got it. A little bit more gas.
Fuck, bro.
I gotta use the bathroom.
Poop rider.
What, you on your way? Oh, he home. Come out here, bro.
We got a poop rider. What? Yeah. Nah,
No, he trying to learn how to ride. Pause. Yo, you gotta hold on.
Poop rider.
You gotta say what's up to the vlog, bro. You called. You feel me? You gotta speak to the vlog.
Bro, I'm gonna be in the training next time.
I'm gonna be in the training next time.
I'm gonna be
Yo, get out of bed, bro. It's 4 o'clock. So now come over here though. You know where we at? We behind the gas station.
Call me the 400 killer freak.
Call me the 400 killer reek. Yo, hold on. Let me put him on this side so y'all can see him. What you say, calling me what?
Call me Rickson, the 400 killer. I'm hurt right now.
Yo, I'm gonna get him on here too, y'all. Y'all ain't seen yet. Bro do a little bit of combos. He think he charged. He do a little bit of combos. Yo, he might be the next bid for real. Cause the 400 be back like by tomorrow. Hold on. Slow, no. Bro, what is he? Is he about to fall? Like, yeah, there you go. Oh, we gotta be. All right. Let it go. Yeah, I should have been riding on the side of this man. This man is about to go down. He can't turn around. A little bit of gas. He's scared. Yo, pull the clutch in. Yo, this yo, this man's a big. Yo, he was yo, why you all you gotta do is pull the clutch and turn the bike around, start over.
I'm done.
But you you got it.
I felt myself going in 2 different times. I felt myself about to lift. I'm like, oh.
Yeah, but you caught it though. That's what I'm telling you. See how you caught it?
I'm like, oh, here we go.
You see how you caught it though.
Bro,
that's all it is.
Done,
that's
bro.
what it takes to learn. The 4-wheeler will be here, man. We're gonna try you on the 4-wheeler. No, but you can keep doing this though. You're gonna get this hard. This is the
harder one.
Yes, this is hard, way harder. You're gonna get on the 4-wheeler and be like, bro, why you ain't teach me on this first? Bro, I'm telling you, I swear to God, bro, the 4-wheeler is easy. Like I can teach, bro. You can learn the 4-wheeler how to ride, pause the same day, and how to wheelie in one day. I can teach you right here in one day.
I don't know how to wheelie yet. I can't even fucking
bro,
move.
you get on the 4-wheeler, bro. I
I'm
promise.
going slow as shit, bro.
But you can feel it rising up under you.
Yeah, that's what I'm
No, but look, when I teach you on the 4-wheeler,
do it every time you give it gas, but you heavier, so you
your weight.
Be.
Yeah.
But if you
The chain tension. Let me see the chain tension.
It ain't gonna pop up, and you gonna know how much it's.
Oh nah, this motherfucker still need to be tightened. Motherfucker pop. I gotta tighten both of my chains on all my bikes, man. Not my 250. My 250
sucks, bro.
got a new chain, bro. That's what comes with it. Come from sucking. Pause.
Yo!
Yo, pause, bro.
He ought to pause it.
It come from being trash, then you get good. I promise you, bro. That's how I was, bro. I swear. I wasn't like this, but to the people that I ride with, bro, this how I look like them, bro. You ass, you just ride, you just land ride. And now I'm out here, I'm getting better and better because I brought practice. All it takes is practice, bro.
Your first day, bro.
It's bro first day, man. First time.
You got it.
Fuck you.
It's bro first. What you say, bro?
I'm
here.
Yeah. You wanna get on that one? You wanna try that one? People say that one easier.
I'll try that one.
I'm not trying that.
People say that one easier, no cap.
I'm not trying that big ass bike, bro.
I promise you, bro. Yo, no, I swear to God, in my life, I can call Reek right now, bro. I can call anybody in my contacts. They say that bike is easier.
This shit, I can't control that shit. I'm not about to throw
This,
that bike
no,
around.
but it's a different joint. The throttle, you can feel it. I'm gonna let you feel it when you get over there.
Around, bro.
I'm gonna let you feel it. Pause. Bro, this shit drooling like damn. Yeah, you can't even speak.
How y'all be doing these fucking bugs?
I heard. I'll be riding, so bro. Yeah, I don't know. This is the first time I ever like. I just came stuck.
Strong as shit.
Y'all heard that? I know y'all heard that. See if you can make it back. See if you can make it back.
I can't, bro.
I'm gonna follow you. We gonna run with him, man.
How slow you go, we can run with it.
He say trying to run first. I probably drop joints on my pouch. Shout out to the bag season, man.
Y'all see my boy
Came in clutch, man.
Got the jersey in there.
Yeah, the carry. Hold on. Y'all gotta see this, though. This,
I already knew I was coming out here, so I
yeah, for my boy. Look at him.
put the carry on.
Look at my boy. He came out here ready.
My baby
But this jersey right here.
carry right now.
This jersey different.
Big, bro. If I
No,
run into
cat,
you,
this jersey different. It's on charge. It's my first time wearing it too. I wouldn't even, you feel me? I felt good today, so I had to put it on. Pause. don't even know if that's a pause, but I just got pause everything. Oh, I didn't know it told me my storage and shit right
See me
here.
on the turf, bro.
See me on the turf.
Bro.
Them football cats, man. Them football
This
cats.
might be my new thing, you feel me?
Bro, I promise you, watch. Y'all gonna see it, man. Y'all, I don't think, yeah, y'all know how easy it is about the footwear. I showed them everything. You feel me? So y'all gonna see it. Like, and he gonna witness, he gonna watch. A couple days, I'm gonna teach him on the footwear, and he gonna be like, yo, bro, this is so easy. And he gonna get on there. Everybody do it. Everybody get on the footwear and be like, all right, teach me how Willie. After they go from here to there or wherever, they be like, all right, teach me how Willie. No cap, bro. It's easy, bro. It's not hard. Watch. Y'all watch. Y'all gonna see my witness. He gonna get on here and be like, all right, teach me how Willie. Gentle, bro. Like, play with it a little bit. I don't know. So you can feel it. Hear it. Like, you don't hear it. You ain't getting the gas. Just like that, light. Just a little bit more.
Here, bro. You gotta do some, bro.
Just a little bit more.
Okay, I'm done.
He quitting on me, bro. Yo, you can't quit, yo. Once you sign up, bro, it's a contract, you locked in. You can't quit. He's locked in. Yo, bro, don't quit.
Bro. Done, bro. Done. Do it solid.
Yo, he gonna quit on me, though.
Make sure it say 4K 24. Top left.
Nigga, you act like I don't got a fucking...
I'm just saying, man. That's how I shoot my shit. Don't tell me shit, Deanie. I'm here.
Shout out to my man, Brian, man. Make sure y'all go subscribe to his YouTube channel. What's your YouTube channel? Brian Stacks?
Yo, bro, I might change it, though.
Yo, Brian. I thought about changing mine, too, but I don't think, like, do you lose content from that? I might, like...
You mean
I mean, not content. Do you lose, like, viewers?
Nah. You gonna keep it... It's like changing Instagram name.
I might change my name, man. I don't know, because I'm getting...
You lied to me, that I can trust a hoe for shit, you stupid dirty bitch. And I've been going through some shit, I don't know what it is. Betrayal is a bitch and you done stabbed me in my back and you done threw away my trust and you can never get it back, yeah. I can't keep going back and